Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb over here at Darrell Walter Buick GMC, sitting inside the GMC Terrain Denali. Now, this is a 2024, but it's going to be fairly similar across this model generation. So let's hop right into your heads-up display customization. As you're inside of your vehicle, to know that you have heads-up display, it's going to have this clear plastic piece here that pops outside of the dash. So what we're going to be doing is customizing it. So you can see right here, we have the tachometer. So as soon as I tap on the throttle, it's going to increase the RPMs. Now I'm going to go over to the left here, and you have HUD. You press that up and down and it changes the level. Then you have info, the middle button. So you'll be able to click through the info. You have your music, you have your direction, you have blank, and then you also have your tachometer. Now the other option is your brightness, which is signified by the sun with the plus and the minus. So we can raise the brightness, and it's gonna be a little hard to see being during the day, but I can show you by turning it all the way down as it goes dimming. Now I'm gonna turn all the way up. I'm gonna show you one other thing that's kind of difficult, but not really. Just takes a little bit of playing with. To turn it off, you just tap it once and the screen comes down and disappears behind this little closure. Now to turn it on, you just tap it again, and this time you can tap it down instead of up. So pretty cool. Did take a little bit of figuring out when I first started, but pretty cool. Heads-up display is nice to have, especially being able to look in the dash instead of on your screen. Hope you're enjoying your heads-up display. Hope you're having a great day. I'll see y'all on the next one.